Yeah, you're all welcome back to my channel. Yes, Betwitch. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Today I'm going to teach you how you're going to earn money from Oprah Hub by writing articles for them. So let's enter their website, Oprah News Hub. Then you click enter. Let's go. So the first link is the link that will take you to their website so that you can register. So now you change the country that you are in. I'm in Ghana, so I'm not in Nigeria, so I have to change it to Ghana. You have South Africa, Cote d'Ivoire, Kenya, Egypt, and Ghana. Apart from these countries, the rest cannot work. If you are in these countries listed here, then you are good to go. Then you come to the sign. You can use your Facebook account or you can use your Google account. So I'm using my Google account. Please follow the step by step, else you won't get verified. After submitting them, they will review your account before they will give you go ahead that publish news for them. Okay, so now let me choose this account. Then you click continue. Kind of my network is very slow. Alright, so now here is the confirm login account. So here is where you put your account information. Okay, you put your account information. Now we change this thing, so let's go to the next page. I'm in Ghana, so I've selected Ghana already. Okay, blah 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 blah. Then ignore this. Okay, ignore this. So let's go. Okay, so now we are on account information. The username, you have to pick username that you use on your news hub, you use on your account. So I'll use Derek. Then let's go to the categories you want to publish your news in. Okay, you can choose politics, sports, lifestyle, relationship and parenting, health and fitness, business, industrial, economy, religion and belief. Everything is there. However you want, or what articles or category you want to write your things in, it's here. You can select them on your own. Okay, so me, I like entertainment. No, I like sports. Let me choose sports. Okay, then you come and write your biography. Okay, you can write your biography. So let me see, what should I use? I love to I love football very. No, I have football. So join. Let's get thrilled through update and news. Alright, so I think this is okay. So now what you have to do is, okay, let's upload our picture, our profile picture. So alright, click on it, you take it to your gallery, then you click next. I skip that place, okay, because of some privacy pictures over there. So let's click next. No, I guess the username is already taken, so you have to change it. Alright, so let me like 991128. Okay, add 1 to 8. Alright, so let's go. I click next. Alright, so here's the account information where you would like them to pay you. Okay, so now your first legal name, you put it in there. So I'm Derek. Then the last name maybe Mensah. Yeah, so maybe here today you put your, so here is the surname and you put your Gmail inside this one. So maybe I'll choose this one. Oh, what is this? So Derek Sodi at gmail.com. Alright, then you put the number. So every country, then their code. So Ghana is 233, so 553086637. So that you come to the account information. You have the bank account and MTN, Momo. So wherever you want them to pay you through, you put the account numbers over there. So when you select bank account, they ask you for account number. When you ask for the Momo, they ask for your Momo number. So I'm using the Momo. So this is my Momo number. Anyone who wants to send me money can send through this one. So now here's the national ID. You can choose, it's optional. You can choose to put it there or not. So I think I'm not putting anything there because of some private security issues and all that. But you have to put national ID number over there. So far as it's optional, it's not compulsory. Then you select this box, then you click confirm. Yes, my network is a little bit slow. Alright, so now here's the interface, here's your workspace. This is where you create your news, this is where you create everything. So here's the content library. And when you come to the next one, you have the account which contains your information. Then you have the send the feedback. Okay, so now let's click down. Alright, so where you want to publish news, here is your things that will show your followers and all that. So where you want to publish news, you click the create. Okay, so after clicking the create, a pop-up menu will come. Alright, so here is where you put your title. As you can see, add title to your article. Alright, add title. So let's say Mbappe to Real Madrid. Oh, Real Madrid. Here we no. Oh, here we go. Alright. Okay, so I think this is okay. Then here is where you take your content, what you will write over here. Here is where you write it. Then what you want to preview, this is how it will show on Opera News Hub. How things will show on Opera News Hub. Okay, here is your name and your pictures and all that. Then you come to the content library. You come to the monetization. So this is where your money and everything that will show your monthly estimated revenue and all that. They pay monthly, okay? They pay monthly. Every 48 hours, they go every day at 4 p.m. Your revenue will be updated. So the more people read your article, the more that your money increases, okay? The more that the more that your money increases. So now here's the account information and all that. Okay, I've already talked about that one. So here's the account. If you want to refer a friend, the referring code is there. Alright. Then you come to the monetization too, as I've already explained. So if you are in Nigeria, your currency is gonna change because you are in Ghana. You have Ghana cedis, our currency symbol. Okay. So now you have announcement section where they give announcement and all that. So here is where they declare winners and all that. So when you scroll down and they select you as a winner, they have an amount of prizes for everyone. So you have top 1, top 2, top 3, top 4. We have amount of prizes for them. So that's how it is. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I do really update more videos, more things that can earn you money without even using your strength, just writing articles online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give a like.